Yes, good morning, everyone. Um,
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes, so yesterday's class we were discussing on project cost. So the same topic will continue today. Um, so probably we have determined the project duration, is it right?
Yes, sir.
Project duration and also the project cost, I believe.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the last step what we have done. Okay, so now to go ahead, so what we can do is, so we have determined the project cost and the project duration. So that is done. Once that is done, so give me the list of activities.
1 to 2,
Okay,
1 to 3,
1 to 3,
2 to 3,
2 to
2
3,
to 4,
2 to
3 to
4,
4,
3 to
4,
4,
4 to 5.
4 to 5. Is it right? And among this, what was uh, the project completion duration was 21 days. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And what was the critical path? Critical path is nothing but the path with the maximum duration.
Duration. Yeah, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Is equal to 1, 2, 3,
4 and 5.
4, and 5, which is equal to 21 days. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the critical path. All right. Okay. So so you can just make note of this, whatever I have written just now. Project completion duration is 21 days, and the critical path is the path which has the maximum duration, and that is nothing but that is equal to 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, critical activities are, therefore, the critical activities are, so what are the critical activities or the list of critical activities? So critical activities are nothing but the
One-
activities that are involved in the critical path, correct?
1 to 2,
That's 1 to 2.
2 to 3,
Next is 2 to 3.
3 to 4,
Next is 3 dash 4, correct?
and 4 dash 5.
And 4 dash 5, correct? So these are the list of critical activities. Is it right? So yes. So just make note of this. Okay. So these are the list of activities, critical activities. Now, why only these activities are considered? Because on these activities actually composes the critical path. Okay, and these the duration of these activities actually decides the project completion duration. Okay. Now, if we reduce the duration of these activities, then automatically the project completion duration will reduce. Okay, so that is basically the plan. Is it done? Shall we go for the next screen? Okay. Shall we go for the next screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if anyone wants me to come back to this, just let me know. We'll go ahead. Correct. So once this is done, the critical path decides the project completion duration. Okay. Therefore, if the duration of critical path is reduced, duration of the critical path is reduced, then the project completion duration also will reduce. Then the project completion duration will reduce. Okay. So this is basically the plan here. So what we will do is, since we want to reduce the critical path, so what we will do is we will list all the critical activities, and the critical activity which costs us less will be considered for the activity duration. Okay, so critical path has to be reduced. The duration of the critical path has to be reduced. So if you have to do that, then we have to list all the critical activities first, and we select that critical activity that has the least incremental cost. Okay. Therefore, list of critical activities is developed the critical activity with the least incremental cost